Step into the world of modern logging, where roaring machines cut, lift, and haul giant trees with brutal precision. Subscribe now and witness timber power in full force. Welcome to Tree Power Channel. Deep in a snow-covered forest, the compact but powerful Nisula 325H begins its job. Despite the thick snow and slippery terrain, the harvester moves steadily, designed for these Nordic extremes. Its head clamps firmly onto a tall pine tree. With a quick slice, the blade cuts clean through the frozen trunk. In one fluid motion, the log is pulled through the processor, branches stripped off effortlessly, even with snow packed along the limbs. The operator, safe and warm inside the cab, controls everything with precision. Every movement is efficient, calculated, saving time, reducing fuel, and minimizing forest disturbance. Nisula 325H proves that even in the harshest winter, forestry work doesn't stop. It just gets smarter. As the machine continues its task, the once dense forest slowly opens up, revealing patches of bare land. The hum of engines replaces birdsong, and the rustling leaves give way to the sharp buzz of saw blades. For local wildlife, each fallen tree means a shrinking habitat, forcing many species to migrate or disappear. While modern logging equipment brings speed and precision, it also reminds us of the delicate balance between development and preservation. Without strict regulation and sustainable forest management, such scenes may become symbols of irreversible loss. Amid the bone-chilling cold of a snow-covered forest, the Nisula 555H mounted on a Volvo ECR 145EL stands firm like an unyielding warrior. Even with snow blanketing the tree trunks, the harvester cuts fiercely and relentlessly, swiftly slicing through each log. Every cut is decisive, as the trees are felled and segmented into neat sections in the blink of an eye. The freezing, harsh environment serves only as a backdrop to showcase the enduring power and absolute precision of this duo, making timber harvesting in extreme conditions smoother than ever before. As the Komatsu moves deeper into the woodland, its movements are both calculated and graceful, an iron creature dancing through green shadows. It scans the landscape, choosing its next target with uncanny precision. Around it, birds scatter, leaves tremble, and light flickers through falling branches. Every second, a new tree falls, not in chaos, but in control. This is the future of forestry, smart, efficient, and unstoppable. The tree-cutting machine works powerfully, quickly slicing through the trunk. The tree falls within seconds. Nearby workers monitor the process and clear branches for transport. Every movement is precise, saving time and ensuring safety. Once the tree is cut, the machine moves to a new spot, ready for the next cut. Despite working continuously, the machine maintains stable performance, playing a vital role in efficient logging. Deep in the dense forest, a specialized tree-cutting machine operates with powerful precision. Its mechanical arm reaches out, firmly gripping the tree trunk and swiftly cutting it down within seconds. The tree falls in a controlled manner, avoiding damage to the surrounding vegetation. Each movement is accurate and efficient, showcasing the power and modernity of forestry technology. Around it, the forest remains still and quiet, with only the sound of machinery echoing through the green wilderness. Unlike modern mobile harvesters, the NIAB 5-15B remains still, anchored at the forest edge, silent yet purposeful. There's no swinging hydraulic arm, no dramatic movements. Instead, tree trunks are hooked by cable and slowly drawn toward the machine's body. A man stands nearby, calm, seasoned by years of work. He doesn't rush. One hand guides the winch, the other steadies the log as it slides into the saw blade. Ring, the blade spins, slicing cleanly through the wood into even segments. Each cut is a rhythmic collaboration between man and machine. The NIAB 5-15B doesn't replace the human, it works alongside him. A simple, rugged machine built for endurance and dependable performance in the hands of skilled forestry workers. As the harvester glides through the forest, its giant arm extends with surgical precision. The H425 head clamps onto a tree, swiftly cutting it at the base. In one smooth motion, the trunk is lifted, delimbed, and sliced into perfect logs. Every move is a masterpiece of power, technology, and efficiency in motion. The crane extends high, lifting the worker to reach large tree branches. Using a power saw, each branch is neatly cut and safely lowered. Below, the support team collects and clears the debris. The work proceeds smoothly, ensuring safety and maintaining the urban landscape. In this powerful demo, Justin Streechert puts the John Deere 2154D equipped with a Warada 622C harvesting head to the test. With effortless precision, the machine grips, cuts, and strips massive logs in seconds. Every move is fast, clean, and efficient, true mastery of modern forestry. The Warada head works like a surgical tool, spinning and processing trunks with speed and control. Meanwhile, the operator commands it all from a comfortable, high-tech cab, turning hard work into smooth performance. In the heart of the forest, the TF-830 chainsaw roars into action. With raw power and expert control, it slices through thick trunks like a knife through butter. Fast, fearless, and built for the wild, this is the machine that turns towering trees into precision-cut timber, one clean cut at a time. In the heart of the forest, where nature reigns supreme, a powerful machine awakens. The Tiger Cat L870C Feller Buncher. With a roar of its engine and a graceful yet commanding presence, it begins its mission, harvesting towering trees with unmatched precision and power. Moving steadily through rugged terrain, the machine locks onto a massive tree. In a single swift motion, it grips the trunk, slices through the base, and lifts the entire tree off the ground. With robotic efficiency, it continues, cutting, collecting, and arranging logs in clean stacks, ready for transport. Every movement is calculated, every cut exact. The L870C isn't just cutting trees, it's transforming the way forestry is done. Designed for extreme environments, it balances strength with finesse, speed with safety. As snowflakes or dust swirl around, the forest echoes with the sound of progress. This is not just a machine, it's a symbol of modern forestry, bold, smart, and efficient. The Ponzi Ergo with the H8 harvester head is cutting pulpwood in a snowy forest. The operator positions the machine beside a small to medium-sized tree. The harvester head clamps the trunk firmly, cuts it cleanly, and begins feeding it through for delimbing. Each branch is removed quickly as the log passes through the rollers. Once delimbed, the log is measured and cut to the correct length for pulpwood processing. The machine then drops the logs in a tidy pile. The process is fast, smooth, and efficient, ideal for thinning operations in cold, snowy environments. Deep in the mountainous terrain, a fierce challenge unfolds. The slope is steep, the ground unstable, and every move demands precision. But the Komatsu 931XC and Ponce Ergo are no ordinary machines. With winch systems engaged, they begin their slow, steady climb. Their mission? To harvest timber in one of the most unforgiving landscapes. This is not just work, this is mastery over nature's extremes. As the machines ascend, sensors and smart hydraulics come into play. Terrain mapping systems allow real-time adjustments, while the winch ensures balance on every incline. It's a seamless blend of technology and raw power. No slip, no hesitation, just calculated, confident motion. Even nature's toughest angles are no match for this modern engineering marvel. Watch as the operator guides the harvester with surgical precision. A joystick in hand, a forest in motion. The head locks onto the tree, slices through it, and strips it clean, all in seconds. The cut timber is processed mid-slope, defying gravity. This is more than logging. It's choreography between man, machine, and mountain. Komatsu and Ponce, two giants, two philosophies, one mission. Working side by side, they alternate roles, one harvesting, one hauling. The synergy is flawless. Each complements the other, maximizing efficiency while minimizing impact on the forest floor. It's a powerful reminder that teamwork isn't just for people, it's for machines too. The higher they go, the tougher it gets. Slippery mud, falling debris, shifting loads. Each moment is a test of design and determination. But these machines are built to endure. Reinforced chassis, adaptive traction, and tension-controlled winches ensure they keep moving. Slowly, steadily, they rise, conquering the mountain 1 meter at a time. These machines aren't just built, they're engineered for extremes. From the suspension system that adapts to terrain, to the cab that keeps operators safe and focused, every detail serves a purpose. Even the tires are designed for low ground pressure, protecting fragile forest soil. It's a complete package of performance and environmental care. From dawn to dusk, the work doesn't stop. Rain or shine, slope or flat, the Komatsu and Ponsi keep going. Operators rely on visibility cameras, climate-controlled cabins, and automated systems to handle long hours in harsh conditions. It's demanding, but deeply rewarding. A day in the life of extreme forestry innovation. As the last log is hauled away, we witness more than just productivity, we see the future. Machines like Komatsu 931XC and Ponsi Ergo aren't just transforming how we harvest, they're redefining what's possible. With sustainability, safety, and efficiency at the core, the next generation of forestry has already begun. In the heart of the forest, a powerful harvester rolls into action. This is the SP661LF mounted on the Rotten H20, a state-of-the-art machine designed for maximum efficiency. As it grips the trunk firmly, its sharp blades spin rapidly, cutting through the tree in seconds. With a smooth motion, it strips off the branches, processing the entire tree on the spot. The harvested log is then neatly stacked, ready for transport. This mechanized process reduces manual labor and speeds up logging operations, making it safer and more sustainable. In modern forestry, machines like this play a vital role in balancing productivity and environmental responsibility. In the heart of the forest, the H11D harvester moves steadily over uneven terrain. Its massive tires grip the ground firmly as it approaches a tall tree. The hydraulic arm extends, locking onto the trunk with a powerful clamp. In a matter of seconds, the saw activates, a clean, swift cut at the base. The entire tree is lifted effortlessly. Without pause, the cutting head begins stripping branches as the trunk slides through. Each section is trimmed and cut into precise log lengths, ready for loading. The operator inside the cab stays fully in control, using a joystick to rotate the machine and align with the next tree. The cabin is enclosed, keeping out dust and noise while offering a clear view through large glass panels. Tree after tree, the H11D performs like clockwork: cut, strip, measure, and drop. The forest floor stays remarkably clean, with logs neatly stacked or dropped in line. No chainsaws, no teams on foot, just one operator and one machine doing the work of many. This is forestry reimagined: safer, faster, and more efficient. The H11D isn't just a machine. It's a mobile harvesting system that brings industrial-grade precision into the heart of nature. The Komatsu 911 with the S92 harvesting head glides smoothly into the dense forest. Its articulated frame maneuvers effortlessly between tall pines, ready to begin the work. This is where raw nature meets powerful engineering. The S92 head grips a tree firmly, and within seconds, the trunk is cut cleanly. The machine limber strips branches in one smooth motion, turning wild trees into clean, straight logs, perfect for transport and processing. The operator sits in a modern, climate-controlled cabin, commanding every movement with precision joysticks. The machine's sensors track every log's size and volume, ensuring optimal productivity with minimal waste. Despite its power, the Komatsu 911 minimizes soil disturbance and preserves surrounding trees. It's a balance of technology and environmental care, a sustainable approach to forestry. The machine approaches steadily, its grapple arm locking onto the tree with precision. With one powerful cut, the trunk falls smoothly, guided exactly where intended. The delimbing system kicks in instantly, branches stripped clean, logs measured and cut on the spot. No unnecessary movement, no wasted time. From inside the operator's cabin, everything is controlled with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring both productivity and safety. This is forestry done smart, efficient, powerful, and built for the future. Amid the stillness of the deep forest, a colossal machine slowly moves in, like a steel arm reaching out into the wild nature. The sturdy crane rises with precision and flexibility, approaching each towering tree. In just a few seconds, the sharp rotating blade swiftly slices through the solid trunk. Every motion is deliberate and powerful, showcasing the strength of modern technology and conquering nature. Yet, beneath it all lies a sense of sorrow, for every fallen tree is a part of the ancient forest slowly disappearing. Deep in the forest, the mechanical arm swings into action. With precision and power, the claw grips a towering tree. Then, in seconds, it's sliced, lifted, and laid to rest. Nature meets machine, and the forest holds its breath.